Good morning, students. Today we will do question number 6 of your chapter Bill of Exchange. Let's see what the question is saying. On January 1st, 2016, Arun sold goods for rupees 30,000 to Sunil. 50% of the payment was made immediately by Sunil, on which Arun allowed him cash discount of 2%. इसमें अरुण सेलर है, अरुण ड्रोवर है और सुनील ड्रोवी है. तो अरुण ने 30,000 का सेल किया हुआ है जिसपे कि सुनील ने 50%, इट मीन्स डेट 15,000 अमाउंट वॉज पेड इमीडिएटली. 15,000 कैश पेमेंट कर दिया है और इसी पर उसने अरुण ने 2% उसको डिस्काउंट दे दिया है, कैश डिस्काउंट दे दिया है. फॉर द बैलेंस सुनील ड्रो ए promissory note in favor of Arun payable after 20 days since the date of maturity of bill was a public holiday. Arun presented the bill on a day as per the provision of Negotiable Instrument Act, which was met by Sunil. State the date on which the bill was presented by Arun for payment and journalize the above transaction in the book of Arun and Sunil. 20 डेज़ का ये बिल लिखा गया है और इसमें कहा गया है 20 डेज़ अगर वो करेंगे January 1st से तो हमारा आएगा 24 जनवरी. अब इसमें ये कहा गया है कि जिस दिन मैच्योरिटी डेट है इट मीन्स 24 को पब्लिक हॉलीडे है, कुछ फेस्टिवल है या कुछ भी है, तो इस वजह से हमारा जो नेगोशिएबल एक्ट है वो कहता है कि जब आपको पता है पहले से कि इस दिन पब्लिक हॉलीडे तो उससे ठीक एक दिन पहले हमारा पेमेंट हो जाएगा. इट मीन्स द मैच्योरिटी डेट विल बी द 23rd of January. Got it? Now let's do the question. Yes, see this one. In this format you have to draw, you have to make the bill of exchange. There are two parts, that is one is the drawer and the second one is drawee. Now in the book of drawer, in this one, in the book of drawer, drawer is Arun और इसमें हम करेंगे सेल करने की एंट्री. तो सुनील on the date of January 2016, January 1st, Sunil sold the goods to Arun sold the goods to Sunil. So Sunil debit to sales account, being goods sold. Amount is 30,000. In this drawer, he is the seller and drawee is the purchaser. Here we will do the entry of purchase. Purchase account debit to Arun. Date will be the same, 2016 January 1st, being goods purchase and amount as well as with the same 30,000, 30,000. Now come to the second entry, that will be the cash payment entry. And for that Arun has allowed him this one discount of 2%. On the same date January 1st, cash account debit, discount account debit to Sunil. 14,700 will be cash received and 300 cash discount and 15,000 was the full amount, means half of this 30,000, being 50% payment received. Now come to the in the book of drawee, Arun debit to cash account to discount account and date will be the same, January 1st, and amount is Sunil is giving to Arun. Sunil have to give to Arun this 15,000, but due to the cash discount he will pay 14,700 and cash discount is 300. This one. Now the narration will be being 50% of payment was made. Now come to the next one. Third entry will be the BR entry. That will be the return of BR. From where? From Sunil. So we will receive the BR account debit to Sunil. From where it is coming? From Sunil. Amount will be the rest of the amount. Half of the amount was given with discount and the half of the amount will be received now. For half of the amount, BR will be returned. On the same date, January 1st, 15,000, being acceptance received. And in the book of drawee, Arun debit to BP account. In the book of drawee, always we will use BP only, bills payable. Rest of the amount 15,000, 15,000, and the narration will be being acceptance given. Date will be also same, January 1st. Now come to the date of, then after some time when the date of maturity will come. And date of maturity, how it will come, I have calculated here. See this one, due date January 1st to 20 days, means January 1st plus 20 days plus grace of 3 days. Whenever in a negotiable in this act we receive 3 days of grace and that will be added with the due date and our maturity date will come. Then 1st January plus 20 days it will come 21 January plus 3 days of grace. It will come 24 of Jan. And but due to the public holiday, the act says that if you know before that the public holiday will be there on the maturity date, then we will come just before that date. That will be the 23rd of Jan, and our date of maturity will be 23rd Jan. Here you see January 23rd. Here cash will be received because he is the seller. He should get the cash, and now on the due date, on the maturity date, he is receiving the cash from this Sunil. So cash account debit to BR, he is giving the BR 15,000 being payment received on due date. And here BP, in the book of drawing we always write it as a BP, bills payable. On the due date January 23rd, BP account debit to cash account 15,000 and 15,000 being payment made on due date. So this is the question number 6 solution. I hope you have understood it very clearly. Okay, good day students.